Is it time for you to retire, but you are scared to retire from a job because you don't have enough funds saved up? You are scared to retire because there is no funds that you have saved up. So you have to be dependent on your children, on your family members. You can't get proper medical attention. If you're still worried about that at that age, I mean, you can make a change. You can make a change and run your own online business from the comfort of your home and make your own money. In our community, there's people of over 80 years old with that's doing digital marketing, reselling the Legacy Builder program and make 100% profit. They are being taught new skills on how to make their online business successful. The only thing you need to do is be coachable and do your 2 hour work day. Yes, only 2 hours a day you work, and you've got the rest of the day spending with your loved ones, spending with yourself or your home, or even do whatever you want to do. So if you want to earn from the comfort of your home and make your golden olden years just amazing, you can drop me a ready in the comments and I'll send you all necessary information.